types of social activities. How it is possible? Because different types of technology has been come, like as example, different types of apps has been made that we can do different types of social work while sitting in the home. Just an example, Facebook, Instagrams and WhatsApp. We should have to make different types of groups related to human trafficking. How it will leads to remove human trafficking from Nepal. Being a student, I feel same on myself. Whenever I get a time, I used to involve in mobiles or different activity, but I never think about the burning issues, human trafficking. Human trafficking is increasing day by day because we were unaware about the human trafficking. How it will be going to solve? We should have to provide quality education to the people who were unaware about it. Being an educated person, it is our responsibility to educate the uneducated people. How it is possible? There is one thought that being educated is not a big thing, but educating the uneducated people is the best thing that we should have to do in our life. Human trafficking should be removed from each and every part of the countries, because it is burning issues not only in our country. Due to it only people used to think that what sort of work they have to do and what time. Men and women were not going out from home at the night time because parents were not allowing their children to go at night time. Why? Because due to these types of social problems were increasing in our country. Different types of organization like government and non-government organizations have to work in it, and I would like to express my views on this topic that being educated is not a big thing, but educating the uneducated people regarding these types of social activities is playing an important role to remove these types of activities like human trafficking in our country. Not only human trafficking, girl trafficking is also increasing in our country. Not only our country, it is increasing in other country, but people were not caring about it. So in my view, I think we should have to work in itself, because being a student, it's our responsibility to remove this kind of social activity. Due to this only, these types of topics were involved in our books to make us aware about, and these types of activities were going on in our society. Then we should have to stop at that moment. We should have to raise our voice as at this. Only this much for today. Thank you.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, it's me Rahul Gupta from Mahistan Vidyapit from class 10th. I would like to Mr. Ramesh Kushwaha sir for giving me an opportunity to express my opinion on the burning issue of human trafficking. Human trafficking is the illegal trade of human beings for sexual exploitation, forced labor and extraction of organ, tissue and so on. It knows no race, gender and boundaries. Human trafficking in Nepal is diverse, internal and transnational. According to the 2018 Nepal Human Rights Commission estimated that about 35,000 of people, including 15,000 women and 5,000 girls, are victims of human trafficking. In the same way, in our country, only in 53 districts, human trafficking reports are registered. Out of them, missing cases are reported in 41 districts, including the districts like Dading, Rasua, Acham, Nuwakot and Puthan are the highly vulnerable of human trafficking. In the same way, according to the report of 2012 January 8, National Rights Commission said that over 5% of Nepal population are highly vulnerable to the human trafficking. It means 1.5 billion of Nepalese are vulnerable to the human trafficking. In the another sense, it is estimated that about 35 between 12,000 to 50,000 girls aged between 6 to 16 are trafficked from Nepal to India. High exploitation, poor law enforcement illiteracy, and high demand of poverty are the main causes, and open border between India and Nepal are the main causes of human trafficking. We can solve such problem, then we can solve such related problem. I think up to some existence we can relieve from human trafficking. Our Constitution of Nepal preserved.
Now, and by not wasting my time, I want to start my topic that is about human trafficking. Today, human trafficking is one of the burning issues in the world. These human trafficking are increasing day by day. It is a social problem which affects our society, community, as well as whole nations. It is also a cross-cutting issue in today's world. Human trafficking, there is not only human trafficking, there are many social problems such as girls trafficking, child labor, discriminations, gender discrimination, discrimination on the basis of sex. There is also some social problems which are running in our society such as Devki Pratha, Jhuma Pratha, and among them, human trafficking of the most social problems which are running in our society. It is not running in our society, it is running worldwide, internationals. It is not only affected by our country like Nepal, it is also affected by India, China, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, but they are developed countries, so they are not affected totally, but partially they are affected. In our developing countries, Nepal, it is affected very badly, which seen in our country. Every year, many of girls, women, childs, and boys or other men are trafficked by the traffickers. They become the victims of human traffickings. While trafficking, the traffickers do not know the age, race, sex, class, gender, etc. They only traffic the persons for the purpose of sexual exploitations, forced consort, fraud or dissipation. They also make some plays, dramas as for girls. They make false marriage. They don't know about, and the girls don't know about the traffickers, and they make false marriage. I will marry you, I will give a happy life, enjoyable life, standard life, and this becomes and they are convinced by them. And while they are convincing, they do marriage, and once they are go to their home or the other countries, the girls become sales. They sell the girls in other persons and they become the victims of traffickers. And other cases, people in our country Nepal, people are suffering from poverty, unemployment, lack of opportunity to do any works. There is lack of job opportunity, low incomes, low salary, which helps them to traffic. Because the traffickers also says that I will give you a good jobs, good incomes, and good jobs, good incomes, salary, as everything is goods, and you will go to, and we will go you to me with me, and I will give everything as you need. And when the girls goes to the trafficked, they traffic and do works like sexual exploitations, circus works, and the men's, women's are prone to be the trafficked because they are lack of education, illiteracy. They don't know about the traffickers what they are doing. They only know he or she provides me good salary, incomes, and a standard life. And in these cases, they will become the victims of the traffickers. Not only our girls not only means the children are also called as trafficked by the traffickers. The children, as like they are doing, the victim says that let's go with me to play game, let's go with me to perform any works, and in this way the victims makes up plans to traffic the children, and the children is used for mine works, etc. The children are not provided good jobs, good educations, high quality life. They are competent to do works without their willings. Without their willings they do works, and they don't get good job, good facility, good clothes, good foods to eat. And if they want to make something good, then the victims are not do that, and the victims says that you are not able to do, you are under me. They are the under speakers. So it is a burning issue which affects the world. It affects the nations, countries, and the whole world. This is caused due to the illiteracy, poverty, unemployment, and many government organizations, INGOs are implemented to solve this girls trafficking, human trafficking problems. And it is human trafficking is only for not a girls. It is for as human organs, human body organs, girls trafficking. It is many NGOs are implemented to solve these problems. With a little effort of these such institutions may help to a great efforts in solving these problems. As our country, it is called as border. While they are trafficked by the victims, they cross the borders. If there is strict rules and regulations, then how can they will cross the borders? If there is a good strict rules which implemented all the men's, women's, police, staff, traffics, everything which will followed strictly, then no one can be blame others to the government for the traffics. So government should look each and every corner of the world, each and every border of the world to get a high security, tight security, which the girls or women, children, men are not trafficked. So by saying this much, thank you.
Teachers and my dear and near friends, it's me Rohit Yadav from class 10. I belong to the student of Sri Mahistan Vidyapit Madhyamik Vidyalaya Birkesparsa, Nepal. Today I am presenting here to give a speech on the topic that is human trafficking. But before starting of my topic, I would like to give a special thank our Mr. Honorable Teachers Ramesh Kushwaha sir, who has given me a special opportunity to express my words in front of you. Now I am going to start my speech, human trafficking. Human trafficking is a trade of humans mostly common for the purpose of sexual slavery, commercial exploitation, labor for the trafficker or others. It is a serious crime and a grave violation of human rights. Every year, thousands of men, women, children are trafficked by the human trafficking in our country or abroad. Now, in past, women used to sold for the sexual slavery or human exploitation, labor exploitation, but nowadays children are also being trafficked because of our country political weakness or other main reasons. There are many parts of the human trafficking such as girls trafficking, child trafficking and human organ trafficking. So girls trafficking is defined as the buying and selling of girls for the sexual slavery and the labor exploitation for their own purpose, that is known as girls trafficking. Besides that, the traffickers or smugglers allure the innocent girls by providing them with better clothes, by providing great facilities, etc. And nowadays, only not at that time only that the girls trafficking is limited to India, but now its network has been wide and reached to the Gulf countries also, such as China, Korea and South Asian countries. And in this way that human trafficking is an illegal act, but it's become a vile crime of our country, so that the government should must conscious about it and they have to stop the girls trafficking, and also as parents responsibility to take care of their daughters and children. Child trafficking also as same as girls trafficking become a evil crime, so that they should be stopped when the peoples take care of their daughters and children, and government must be conscious about it. So, and also besides this, our constitution has preserved the right to freedom, so we must fight against the traffickers. In addition to legislation, the Ministry of Women, the Nepal government, and also that various type of INGO and NGO were fought against the traffickers or smugglers. So if we suspect anyone to involve in such type of illegal activities, human trafficking or child trafficking, such type of illegal activities, then we must have to inform the police or any member of concerned organizations. And this all we can do, because we are responsible for this, we are the people of our country, and also government responsibility is to take care of the people, but we should also apply our terms and conditions so that we can be safe from it, and our little effort can be a great contribution for the protection and destroying of such types of evil, human trafficking. And this way, that thank you for listening me by wasting precious time. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yadav of class 10 is going to deliver a short speech on a topic, human trafficking. First, I want to give a thanks to Mr. R.K. sir for giving me opportunities to present my view on the topic, human trafficking. Human trafficking is a trade of human, most for the sexual slavery, forced labor, exploitation, and the commercial sexual activities. It is a serious crime and a grave violation of human rights. In today's world, thousands of men, women, and children are trafficked along the world for different purposes. The different types of trafficking are goods trafficking, the process of buying and selling goods for the sexual purpose, and another type is called goods trafficking. In our country, many years, every innocent girls come in the allure of the traffickers for getting nice food, nice clothes, and foreign employment. Such types and other types of trafficking is child trafficking. Child trafficking is also another types of trafficking. In this, the childs are trafficked from the different rural area of our country. The parentless child, orphan, and the child who have not their guardians are trafficked mainly. And the third trafficking is the human organ transplantation. Human organ transplantation is also another trafficking. About 42% of total transplant organ is transplanted illegally by the traffickers. Thanks.
Hello friends, it's me Deepak Gupta. I am again back to in front of you by saying some things. Have you know, I am giving some ideas, views, my opinion about human trafficking. Again, I am giving to you about human trafficking. What is mean by human trafficking? Guys, friends, listen to me carefully. What's carefully? Human trafficking. Yes, I am talking about human trafficking. Human trafficking is illegal of buying and selling like humans, male, female, children. What the trafficker said. Suppose I will provide you some examples. Traffickers, because India and Nepal is open border, traffickers come from any countries and they easily enter in our country. And by entering our country, they will enter in our society, and our society they look the person in our community, they have not good requirement, poverty, there is lack of poverty, equipment, they cannot get their fulfillment in their life. So the victims attack to them person. Why they are not? So the victims says to, he or she says to, come with me, I will provide you some jobs, some extra money, anything else. Come with me, I will go and we will do some more jobs. By saying that much, they will the trafficker victims engage him. Victims engage him or her. And by doing that extra activity, the idea of victims we cannot understand, but the victim but the victims know what to do with the how we will do the trafficking. We can see there Nepal and India is open border, and our trafficking is going. For example, we can say there is trafficking of children, male, female. The children and male, female, if the victims were trafficking to children, they are selling, and if the seller buy the children, what did they do with children? Did you know? If you don't know, come with me, I will tell you what is doing here. That buyer will do with children what? The buyer will do with children. Suppose he will give him hotel, they will do the work like servant or put in circus. How it is very dangerous stunt. As you see and circus, what is the too much very stunt done by that people. Yes, that was the trafficking. Yes, that is trafficking by them. Trafficking. So guys, you can see what the difficult of them. You can know what is of them. They are children from the small. They are
Well, a very fresh and cool good morning to my respected teacher, Mr. R.K. sir. It's me Akriti Gupta from Standard 10, and I am going to give a sweet and short speech on the topic of human trafficking. Today is I had got golden opportunity to speak something in front of you all. After wasting your time, I am going to start my topic, and today's my topic is human trafficking. Human trafficking is the trade of humans for the purpose of sexual activities and etc. Human trafficking is the mostly many countries are affected from human trafficking. It is serious crime for us. We have to take some decision for taking protection our girls and child also from human trafficking. Girls trafficking is the they use girls for sexual activities, and they used to sell for earn some monies by selling girls. It is very bad for girls also, so we have to protect ourselves, and government also have to take some decision to protect their girls. And child trafficking, they use child for the buying and selling. And there are some important parts of their bodies. They sell there are some important parts of their body